Panguva ino people they are suspecting a kingdom in Zimbabwe. At the moment kwatikuona kuti the CAB4 is almost done. Manje inenge ichitosainiwa but pane madevelopments ari kuonekwa. Tiona vana wekinoti vachinovhizita ana King Mswati. Tichiona kuti madevelopments avari kuita nemamovements avari kuita even being given the citizenship in that country zvaisa maspeculations ekuti why kingdom. Panguva ino zvinatsobuda pachena kuti madevelopments ari kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe pane kwaari kuleaderekuinstalla a dynasty in Zimbabwe. Don't forget subscribe, like, turn the bell icon. Until 2030 vakomana vari against CAB4 against vision 2030 anobuda chiposta chiti. My sources just told me Mnangagwa spoke by phone with King Mswati an hour ago. Mswati held his CAB4 gains. Now he plots CAB4 to turn Zimbabwe into a kingdom. I warn you clearly, Mnangagwa is deadly national security threat, not to Munumtapa kingdom. Ndo a post yamekiwana president until 2030 achiti PAAKUTYA another CAB4 itikonekwa kunzi yava kuisa yava kuadvansa kuti now toona kuti zvavanga vachida kuamenda the constitution kuti ikwanise kuallow the president to extend his term from 2 terms which were ending in 2028 such that unextended to 2030. Now vakuisa madevelopments another CAB kuti panguva inoyi vakwanise kuallow kuinstalla a kingdom in Zimbabwe. My developments are kuda panguva inoyi anokonzi they were long suspected by everyone, but people they were just thinking but these are just rumors vakomana vesocial media, but panguva ino vachiona zvinhu zvatova inact vautorealize kuti ndo zvatovapo. And on top of that, knowing that Ugandas they've got power, they've got money, they've got everything, kuva opposer is very difficult. In our comment section, minutes of you the email will leave on the so subscribe or like on the bell icon.